It won't be bad. It just tastes like hollandaise sauce.
So today, hi everyone.
You're doing so good.
Wait, let me do my intro.
Okay. Okay, go.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. We are here at 26. We are about to go kayaking.
That's the word.
We need a contribution from you. I'm so sorry. I said that really poorly. But anyways, we'll catch you later when we're out in the sea.
In the water. Exploring. For the picture? Okay. Alright, and then we're out kayaking.
Any last words?
Yeah, I hope we don't fall into the ground.
Wait. So we just went kayaking and this random mom entrusted me with her 2 children to go kayaking with them.
She didn't get tipped.
I didn't get it, but it's okay. Out of the goodness.
But you know, Jordan's just a really good person. So Jordan's an angel.
It was, but I wouldn't come up to a random person and be like, did you take my kid kayaking?
In a different country.
Yeah, and they were from Russia. It was a wild time. But we're here, and they were cute kids. They were pretty adorable, so I didn't mind. You can add on.